Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust line spacing in Google Docs on your Windows PC. First, open your document at docs.google.com and make sure you are signed in. Next, highlight the paragraphs you want to change or place the cursor where you'd like the new spacing to apply. Then, click Format in the top menu. Hover over line and paragraph spacing and choose a preset like single, 1.15, 1.5 or double, depending on your preference. After that, if you need custom spacing, select custom spacing, enter the exact line spacing value you want, adjust paragraph spacing before or after if needed, and click apply. Finally, to make this spacing the default for future documents, update your normal text style via Format, Paragraph Styles, Normal Text. Update normal text to match, then save as default under Options. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.